Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're thrilled to unveil Apple's latest masterpiece, the 2024 MacBook Air. Get ready to experience innovation like never before. From its breathtaking display to its blazing fast performance, this laptop is set to redefine your computing experience. Let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk about the heart of this powerhouse, the M3 chip. Engineered by Apple, this cutting-edge processor delivers unrivaled speed and efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking and lightning-fast performance. Coupled with a stunning 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display, every image comes to life with vibrant colors and sharp detail. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web, the visual experience is simply breathtaking. Say goodbye to cumbersome passwords with the integrated Touch ID sensor. Simply place your finger on the sensor, and voila, instant access to your MacBook Air, securely and effortlessly. And let's not forget about the sleek design and portability that Apple is renowned for. Whether you're working on the go or lounging at home, the MacBook Air's lightweight and compact design make it the perfect companion for any lifestyle. With an array of additional features including a crystal clear 1080p FaceTime HD camera and a backlit keyboard for enhanced productivity, the 2024 MacBook Air truly raises the bar for what a laptop can achieve. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of computing with the 2024 MacBook Air from Apple. With its groundbreaking features and unparalleled performance, this is one laptop you won't want to miss out on. Thanks for watching.